Hey guys, Doug B here. Welcome to Preset of the Week, where I highlight either one of the factory presets or presets created by third-party creators. This week we're going to look at another factory preset, so turn your Axe FX3 to preset 259, Direct Injects. Let's listen to a little sample. I decided to use the random number generator one more time to keep my biases out of the preset choice, and fate is kind to us one more time. Now, just in case you don't know what a direct inject is, you may be familiar with the term DI box. According to Reverb.com, a direct injection or direct input DI unit converts an unbalanced high impedance signal, like a guitar or keyboard's output, into a balanced low impedance signal like that of a microphone. A DI allows the user to insert an instrument signal directly into a preamp, mixer, or recorder at the proper impedance for a cleaner sound and lower noise. The most common use of a DI is to record a clean, unaffected guitar or bass signal, often in tandem with an amplified signal. They're also ideal for long cable runs that would pick up a lot of noise if a standard guitar cable were used. You might see a DI box being used by acoustic guitarists, bassists, and keyboard players. You can connect your instrument directly to a sound system with a DI box, bypassing an on-stage amp. Guitarists also use DI boxes in the studio, allowing you to plug directly into the mixing console or going from your amp head to a mixing console. That way your speaker cabinet is taken out of the picture, as there is no need to mic it. This setup works well with very clean amps, as distorted tones usually need a speaker cab to make them sound right. Now, the one exception that I can think of is the guitar tone used by the Beatles on Revolution. If I remember right, they plugged into the mixing console and then cranked the gain all the way up. Let's look under the hood of this preset in depth. It has 8 scenes: SSL Squash, Billie Jean, Slap Stereo, Detune, Fatter, Hall Press, ER, and Sync Echo. The default scene is number 2, Billie Jean. Besides the in and out blocks, it uses 10 blocks: Comp 1, Amp, Graphic EQ, Delay 1, Filter, Enhance, Pitch, Delay 2, Reverb, and Comp 2. It's pretty efficient. It only uses around between 34 and 37% of the CPU. All right, let's look at the blocks. The Comp 1 block uses the Studio FF Compressor 1 type in channel A and is used in all 8 scenes. The Amp block uses the USA Clean type in channel A and is used in all 8 scenes. The Graphic EQ block uses the 5-band passive in channel A, and that's used in all scenes except for scene 5. Scene 5 uses the 5-band variable Q in channel B. The Delay 1 block uses the digital stereo type in channel A and is used in scene 3. The Filter block uses the high pass type in channel A and is used in all 8 scenes. The Enhance block uses the classic type in channel A and is used in scene 2. The Pitch block uses the quad detune type in channel A and is used in scenes 4 and 8. The Delay 2 block uses the digital stereo type in channel A and is used in scene 8. The Reverb block uses all 4 channels. The Small Room type is in channel A and is used in scene 3. The Rich Hall type is in channel B and is used in scene 6. The Ambience type is in channel C and is used in scene 5. And the Ambience type is used in channel D and is used in scene 7. The Comp 2 block uses the Studio FF Compressor 1 in channel A and is used in all scenes except for scenes 2 and 5. Scenes 2 and 5 use the Studio FF Compressor 1 in channel B with different settings. Now here's a sample of this preset, and I'll post the scene names on screen. So there you have it, guys, direct injects. Now this preset gives you 8 examples of some super clean sounds that have no cab coloration to them. This type of sound was really popular back in the 80s, especially for TV theme songs. Give it a try. Let me know what you think about it. Drop me a line in the comments. All right, guys, now this Friday we're going to take a look at the firmware 19.07. Now you don't want to miss that, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, see you on Friday.